Shailesh and you're watching PHP tutorials. Today I'm going to show you inheritance in PHP. In the previous chapter we have seen the object-oriented programming by using class and object. Today we are going to see the inheritance in PHP using object-oriented programming. Well, inheritance is nothing but if we have any class like I say parent class and another class is a child class. So if parent has some properties and the child want that properties, so it will follow the parent so that all the properties of parent child will get eventually. So this is nothing but called as hereditary. In the same way we can use in PHP also, we can get properties of parent to the child. So let's start by creating one class parent, and suppose it has a method or a member function. You can say public function and let's say constructor, and just print the message echo I am from parent constructor. And then we are going to create one child class, public function underscore construct, and then a simple message which is going to show br I am from child class. And if I save this with the PHP programs all files, and here name with inheritance.php, save it, refresh this one, so it is available over here. And if I just click this, parent as a class name as it is a reserved, so we can give another name over here, class and child class. Save this and refresh this, so it is working fine. Now if I want to create an object of child class, so I can write child obj equals to new child class, and it is going to show that constructor message. And if I want all the features of this parent class should available over here, so I can write extends, which is a reserved keyword, and the parent class name. And if I run this program, so all the features of this parent class will be available over here. Like let's take a function, public function and parent fun, and if I say echo br and I am from parent function, and just save it. Now if I call this function from the parent function, so it is going to be available over here in child class also, because the parent class we have inherited over here. So a child object and then arrow, and if I just write parent fun, so it should print the message. See here, I am from parent function. And if I just remove this statement, let's just try to remove this, Control X, save. If I refresh this, so it is not going to come here in the child class. So extends is a keyword which we are going to use here to inherit properties from parent class to the child class. Now here I can inherit a parent class properties, that is nothing but parameters also. Like if I say public dollar and parent variable, so this function I can use over here also. if I want to say $child object and parent variable, so I can use this variable over here. I can put value over here, and if I want to use this, so I can use this variable over here, child object and parent variable. So it is going to be available over here, and I can use these values in methods of this derived class also, like public function, and then I'll just write a child fun and echo $this of parent variable, and I'll just put one message so we can identify whether it is coming from this child function or not, from child function. And here I have just set these values, and I'll call the child class method, that is nothing but child fun. And let's just try to refresh this. So it is showing I am from child fun, value of parent. So in this way you can use inheritance. Further, if you want to use this class in another child, like class grandchild extends child class, so all the features of this child class will be available in grandchild, and all the features of parent class also eventually available over here. So if I want to create object of this class also, so everything will be available here. Like if I just copy this, and instead of child class I'll write a grandchild, so if I refresh this, it is going to be one as it is, and I can write my own functions for this grandchild, so that is also possible. Grandchild fun, and here I'll write a message and just put the br tag. If I just save this, and let's try to call a grandchild child obj and this method, copy, paste it over here. I will just refresh this, and you can see I am from grandchild function. So you can use it in multiple level also. So that's all about the inheritance in PHP. In the next tutorial we are going to see abstract classes and interfaces in PHP. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.